guys! Hello! And I'm going to eat now. And pagkain ko ngayon is another day, another adobo. Another adobo and another Milo, guys. And ayan, for today's video, and I want to share na it's been 2 months living here at the evacuation center. Ayun. Subok na ng adobo. Thank God we're surviving here, living here. It's not so easy, but we survive, and thank God for that. And I want to hindi kami nag-phone ngayon kasi grabe init. It's so hot. It's so hot in here. So, ayan. Nilagyan ko naman siya ng kumot para siya ay makatulog ng maganda. Kasi ang sakit daw ng Mama, ang sakit. So, ayun. Yun na nga tayo. It's been 2 months and thank God. Thank you for all the people who always help and support to me. And ayun, we survived, and I think we survive more and more and more living here. And thank you to all the people there always watching my eating. And thank you so much. Kakain lang tayo ng adobo ngayon. Adobo is the menu. Adobo ngayon, bukas, at magpakailanman. Adobo. Later, I will take the medicine for my teeth. Perfect. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.